How important is the role of social media and online communities in the real estate industry? Imagine an interconnected web of potential clients, industry peers, and valuable insights, all accessible from the comfort of your own office. This is the power of social media and online communities for real estate professionals. Let's start the journey by exploring various social media platforms and their benefits. Facebook is a hub for community engagement. By creating a business page and joining local real estate groups, you can connect with potential leads, share updates, and showcase properties. Instagram, with its visually appealing interface, is perfect for showcasing properties. Use Instagram Stories and IGTV for engaging multimedia content. LinkedIn is the professional's playground. By building a presence here, you can connect with industry peers, potential clients, and share valuable insights. Twitter is your go-to platform for real-time updates and market trends. Use hashtags to increase your tweets' visibility. YouTube is the stage to establish yourself as an industry authority. Create video content that showcases properties and provides market insights. And let's not forget Pinterest. Create boards featuring property listings, interior design ideas, and neighborhood highlights to attract a diverse audience. Now, let's delve into building an online presence. A professional website is your digital storefront. It should be user-friendly and feature property listings, blog content, and contact information. Blogging on your website can provide valuable content, share market insights, and improve your website's SEO. Email marketing is a direct line to your audience. Build an email list and share property updates, market trends, and exclusive deals. Online reviews can enhance your reputation. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews on platforms like Google My Business or Yelp. Next, we turn to online communities. Real estate forums such as BiggerPockets, Cree Online, or Reddit's real estate communities are great places to engage in discussions, share knowledge, and connect with potential leads. Local community groups on social media platforms can help you share local market insights and establish yourself as a community resource. Professional groups on LinkedIn and Facebook offer spaces for industry peers to share insights, discuss market trends, and collaborate on potential deals. And lastly, don't forget about virtual networking events and webinars. These are excellent opportunities to connect with professionals and potential clients. Finally, there's social media advertising. Facebook ads can target specific demographics and geographic areas. Create ad campaigns showcasing your property listings or promoting your services. In summary, social media and online communities offer powerful tools for real estate professionals. They provide platforms for showcasing properties, connecting with potential leads, and establishing your industry authority. By leveraging these networks, you can tap into the digital age's potential and propel your real estate business to